The first solution that we designed at this intersection was the Malaria Prediction and Planning Toolkit. As the name suggests, this particular toolkit provides two different solutions. One is the prediction aspect and another is the planning aspect. Here you can see on the left side of my screen the first page of the dashboard of Malaria Prediction and Planning Toolkit system that provides the top line indicators alongside geospatial map highlighting the targets of interventions. At the same time, it also provides information related to accessibility of these hotspots based on chances of rainfall and wind speed, and also highlights the top line indicators of transmission, such as the annual parasite incidence, that is malaria incidence, and the total positivity rate. Now, we carefully designed this particular toolkit to identify malaria hotspots in some of the most inaccessible areas. The toolkit, just for your information, we tried and piloted this toolkit in 15,000 square kilometer areas of Koraput and Malkangiri district to start with, where multiple different challenges exist. One is inaccessibility, second is illiteracy, third is conflict affected areas, fourth is very high burden of malaria. We found that different health program, epidemiological, historical, weather, geospatial, and intervention related information can be clubbed together to provide insights that can enable micro level decision making at the hotspots. At the same time, we identified the need of using advanced modeling techniques, machine learning, and artificial intelligence techniques such as computer vision, natural language processing, and long and short-term memory models to provide information related to the stocks or supply chain needs, campaign timing and targeting, and deployment of health workers. But when we derive this information from complex model outputs, it remains unable, it remains not usable by the program managers at the grassroots levels. So we applied the principle of data-driven storytelling to provide decision support at the grassroots and also at the policy level related to the anti-malarial interventions. Now I'll talk about some of the insights that we gathered, that how climate change and other challenges are impeding progress against malaria. The first problem